Let's use some of our perimeter rules to actually do some examples this time. So let's go with A, and nice and simple, let's go with a square where side is equal to 8 centimeters. We know that our rule states that perimeter is equal to 4 times our side length. We know that our side length is equal to 8 centimeters, so we've got 4 times 8, which is going to be 32, keeping in mind that we're working in centimeters, so therefore our final answer must be in centimeters. So that's our final answer for that one. Let's go with, again, nice simple shape. We've got our rectangle where each opposite side is exactly the same length. This time I'm going to say that this one is 16 centimeters and this one is 4 centimeters. We have a rule. Again, you can choose which way you write this rule, whatever works best for you, whichever one you understand the best. But I like to use perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. So we've got 2 times our length is 16, our width is 4, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, so our 2 times 20 is 40. Remembering we are working in centimeters, that would be our final answer. Let's work with a circle now. I'm going to give you a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. Now if we think back, our perimeter, remembering our perimeter has a special name when we're talking about circles, it's a circumference, so you can say C is equal to pi times the diameter. This time we didn't give you the diameter because the diameter would be all the way across from here to here, but we only have this section here from the center out to the edge. So we have to think about something else. We're not looking at a diameter here, we're looking at a radius, and we know that diameter equals 2 times the radius. So our diameter will equal 2 times 4, which is 8 centimeters. Now that we have this number, we can put it up here because we know now that our diameter is 8 centimeters. So pi times 8, my calculator's a bit broken and dirty at the moment, but if you have a look, pi is down here. It's very, very small and it's yellow, so I'll need to use my shift button. Shift gives me pi times 8, and our answer here now is 25.13. Again, working in centimeters, so our answer will be in centimeters. We will have a look at a compound shape now. Let's go for D. Let's say this is my shape here. Imagine it's all nice and neat and full of right angles, and it's not just my messy handwriting. 2, 3, 7, 10, 8, 7. Okay, let's have a look. How many sides do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So unfortunately, yeah, our rule is going to be pretty long. Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. Right, and it's as simple as plugging all those numbers into our formula there. So let's go here, 10 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 8. So did we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Good, we've got them all. Okay, let's put that into our calculator, shall we? 10 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 8 gives us 50 centimeters. So that will be our answer. Right, so each different shape you're going to need to think about a different rule, but if you just have a look at the shape, use your logic and say, oh okay, yep, that's where these are the same, or you can flick back to the rules that you've written down in your notebook.